And this is John, West Coast Connects. We reached out and spoke with you the other day, promised to send this free video, so here it is. I'm going to keep things really short and sweet. Just want to show you 3 tips that you could do to really maximize your traffic online. So with that, let me get started. You got a lot of ways to convert right here, which is good. Your click to call, your virtual chat over here, that's always a good thing. You have a link to your get a quote. So you have a lot of ways to convert at the top, which is a good thing. The one thing I noticed though, looking through your site, is there's not a ton of content here. And when I'm talking content, I'm talking things that you can highlight, whether it be pictures, text, and really you want a lot of content for 2 reasons. The first is so that you can be found for specific keywords, and you're only being found for 1 keyword, sunrise remodeling, which is good. You know, you want to rank for your name, but you're just not really high enough to get much volume there. And when I was looking for volume in Long Island, it was a month. Long Island repair, flat roof repair, roofing contractors, roofing companies. So quite a bit of volume. But say we wanted to rank for roof repair Long Island, right? I would have that as my text. I would have that within my content. I would even save one of these images as that keyword. So instead of this being saved as this random number, I would save it as roof repair Long Island, or Long Island roofing contractors, or something that you want to be found for. So having those keywords saved, within your content somewhere really helps in getting you ranked. So adding content also, helps rank you, because Google kind of feels the more content you have, the more likely you are to be an expert in your field. So content plays a huge role in ranking for a variety of reasons. So that's my first tip. Add content, specifically content with buyer intent keywords that you can that'll help get you ranked, and ranked for more things. My second tip is to give yourself a wide variety of ways to be found. And what I mean by that is, when somebody searches roof repair Long Island, there's many ways they can convert, right? You have the local ads. These convert at a high rate. They're really a great tool. You have Google ads that are usually underneath here, and those typically convert at a much lower rate. But they allow you more leeway in what you put, and they give you a lot more chances for more information and being big and impressions. So there is value there. This map pack, or this top 3 Google business profiles, they can pull up to 40% of the traffic. So lots of ways you can improve your standing here. You can post regularly from your Google business profile. You want to add photos that are geotagged, that are saved to specific keywords. Obviously you can get more 5-star reviews. Fill out your business information in its entirety. Make sure that all this business information is pretty consistent through the web. So there's a lot of things that you can do there. And then ranking organically is important as well. So if you're running a local ad, if you're running a Google ad, if you're in the map pack and you're ranking organically for any given keyword, you're going to pull as much traffic as you possibly can. So really important to be seen and give yourself a chance to be converted by people who search differently. And then, along with ranking organically, that would be my third tip, is just to build up the strength of your site. And how you do that is by adding referring domains that send links to your site. And you want those to be do follow links that are strong, that are going to send you power. And just to show you what that looks like, this is LongIslandRoofRepair.com, and you see here they have 58 do follow links and 99 referring domains, and they're ranking on 107 keywords and getting a little over 300 clicks a month. So lots of volume here, And the idea is to kind of do what's working for other people and kind of emulate that and do it yourself and do it just a little bit better. So I hope this has been helpful. I hope it's been informative. Please feel free to reach out if you have any questions, comments, concerns. I would love to get your feedback on this video. So with that, have a great day and God bless. Thank you, Marvin.